So basically, you guys wanted a tutorial on that one makeup. Let me show you. On that one. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for you right now. So you want to have the concealer going up in those places and then dots under your eyes. Blend it in, get a flat brush and brown shadow, and then do the eyeliner. Do the eyeliner like this going up a little bit and then come over and make a straight line. Then do the inner corner like this. Shadow in the lash line and do the same on the other eye. This takes a long time, so just be patient. Bronze along your jawline. And then you're going to put blush along your cheekbone. That to make it look snatched. Now for the bold red lip. So first you want to prime with chapstick. And this, in my opinion, is the best. Some final touches. Mascara and highlighter and a few beauty marks. And there's the brown liner with bold lip.